Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Nike Vomero 5 in that vast gray colorway. You know, I'm going to go over the sizing. I got to give you an on feet, and it's only right that I give you an outfit ideas. And I am going to give you a little special peek at the Vomero 5 in that sequoia green khaki colorway. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box. I did pick these up from Nike.com. You know, I did use the app for these joints. You feel me? Comes in that regular brown box. Let's go ahead and peel back, and we're gonna peel it back. You know the vibes, we're gonna peel it back, man. So we do have our box right here, standard Nike sportswear box. Now let's get into these joints, man. Right here we have the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Now the colorway is white, vast gray, and black. So I'm calling these the vast gray joints right here. And these are women's size, just the colorway is a women's colorway. And they have the same color in men's, but it's just worded differently. I believe it says vast gray first or whatever, but just as a heads up, there is no difference in the sizing between the men's and the women's. So I went to the store. I'm gonna actually put up a little clip. I went to the store to try on the platinum tint because I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the platinum tint or the vast gray. So, you know, that's a little clip right there of me trying them on. And like I said, the sizing is the same for the women's and the men's. You feel me? So yeah, let's go. Let's get it in, man. Right here we do have the Vomero 5 in that vast gray color right here. What we have up top, we have an all gray. It's almost monochromatic, so it's like one color, vast gray. We have the this netted kind of like mesh material, all gray. Then we have going up the eyelets, that same gray. It's like a synthetic material. There's no like leathers or nothing premium on this pair. Laces, gray, factory laces. You can see we do have a insole. Let's see what the insole says. Bowerman series. Hopefully you can catch that on the insole. It has like a little picture of the guy. I mean, and yeah, this is just basically a very clean pair of shoes. You know, summertime is definitely approaching, and you want to have your white shoes. You want to have your clean shoes on deck. So this is the pair that I decided to pick up. You know, the Vomero 5 is definitely kind of a hype or a trendy shoe right now. You have these. You have the New Balances that are like in a similar vein. You got the Asics. You got the Sauconys, and this is kind of like Nike's representation, or this is their entry into that kind of a shoe. This is a very nice shoe. I tried it on, like I said, very comfortable. You have the Nike Zoom with the Cush line midsole right here. The midsole is actually sail, so we have vast gray all at the top, and then we have a sail midsole, and then we have a couple of white pods on the bottom right here. When we take a look at the sole, we have black going around the bottom. We have some black at the top. The rest is that same white material right here. Now, this is a very, very, very lightweight pair of shoes. And so if you're doing a lot of, you know, running around, not like literally running as far as working out, but just running around, going to the mall, going to the store, going out, this will be one of those ones that you can pick up for like an everyday wear type of shoe. And just because of the toe box, you don't have to worry about creasing. You know, you might want to wear your all white Forces, but you know you got to worry about the creasing on the toe. At least I do. You feel me? I don't like to have a whole bunch of creased up shoes, but these you don't have to worry about that. It almost gives me somewhat of a Presto vibe, because when you wear your Prestos, you don't have to worry about them getting creased up or anything like that, man. So this is a very versatile shoe, man. You know, I don't want to take too long on these, but let me just show you one other pair that I did pick up. I also picked up the Vomero 5 in that cargo khaki / sequoia colorway right here. So just a quick look at these. You know, the exact same shoe. And I do like the fact that the upper is all pretty much one color. It makes it very easy to wear. You know, you kind of get your olive green cracking right here. We have a white midsole. You can take a look at the outsole right there. We got the all black traction pods. White midsole, you get that same lightweight design right there. And like I said, this is another one that's gonna be good for the summer. Lightweight, just throw it on. You don't have to think too much when you grab these joints right here, man. But I'm not going to waste any time. Let's go ahead and get to the on foot portion of the video. All right here I do have the vast gray joints, man. Like I said, definitely a very nice, clean looking shoe. When it comes to the spring and summer, you need your light colored shoes, and these are the ones for me. I mean, when you just take a look at them, they're super clean. They don't have an all white colorway. So this is about the closest thing that you're going to get to an all white colorway of the Vomero 5. So right here, we do have that good mesh. I mean, the pods look very good. This is one of those shoes you can wear with anything. Like, there's not one outfit that you cannot get off with this right here. And if you look real close, you can see that sail midsole, which just, you know, breaks it up just a little bit, you know, just enough. But I'm very glad to have these joints right here. Super comfortable, super lightweight. And this is one of the things that I would wear. Like, I mean, super easy, super clean. You know, we got the Nike t-shirt right here, Nike shorts, Nike woven shorts. And I mean, it's an easy look. It's a clean look. It's comfortable. It's chill. Summertime, springtime, you can't really go wrong with an outfit like this. We do also have the Hat Club hat right there, you know, the pink lemonade. You know, I still got to coordinate the hats with the fits, man. But overall, just a really good fit. And right here, I do have the Vomero 5s in that sequoia green, that khaki cargo olive green colorway right here. And I mean, they look very good to me. I definitely was a little nervous scooping them up because I'm like, you know, we got the spring coming, we got summer coming. So, I mean, is a darker color shoe really going to mesh well with this time of year? But I don't really have many olive colored shoes. So I said, you know what, I'm going to just get them anyway. And I'm glad that I did. We have a little bit of 3M on the shoe. So if somebody has their flash on, you will definitely get a little bit of extra shine right there. And I did throw a little something on with this just so you can see, like, regardless, even though it's a darker color, you can still get these off during the summer. Right here I have the Nike, these are actually swimming trunks. I got the Nike swimming trunks on. And you know, that's a little hack. I'll bust the swimming trunks even if I'm not going swimming, you feel me? Then we also have the Nike Club t-shirt. We got the snapback hat right there. You know, just make everything flow, you feel me? So it don't have to be summertime with bright colors. You can throw something darker on and still be straight, man. But don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more heat coming. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.